take water in kadai. Let the water heat. Now add Maggi noodles and boil this for 2 minutes. After it boils, drain it out from water. Transfer it to a bowl. Now take a mixing bowl, add cooked Maggi noodles, add half cup of finely chopped beans, carrot, capsicum, onion, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and add Maggi Masala. Add 1 tablespoon of maida. Mix it well. Do not knead it loosely. Then take dry noodles and crush it with your hands. Crush it very finely. Next, take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of maida, pinch of pepper powder, pinch of salt. Now add water and mix it without lumps. Now take Maggi mixture and grease your hands with oil. Take the mixture and roll it to cylinder shape. Dip it in maida mixture. Then coat it with dry Maggi noodles. After coating, drop it in hot oil and fry this till the color changes to golden brown. After color changes, strain it out from oil. Tasty Maggi nuggets are ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.